Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about accessing MySQL using PHP. MySQL is a highly popular database management system that can power projects of all sizes. Its ability to handle huge volumes of data without breaking a sweat is one of its biggest selling points. Connect MySQL with PHP code. You can make use of one of three methodologies. There are three types of methods in PHP to connect MySQL database through backend. MySQL, MySQLi, PDO. PDO means PHP data objects. Both MySQLi and PDO have their advantages. PDO will work on 12 database systems, whereas MySQLi will work only with MySQL databases. Both are object oriented, but MySQLi offers procedural API. Both support prepared statements. Prepared statements are those which we execute the query repeatedly to make use of it efficiently. Prepared statements protect from SQL injection. Because MySQL is not actively used nowadays because of SQL injection, but remaining two are being actively used. MySQLi is an API used as a connected PHP function to link the backend of the PHP app to the MySQL database. It works just like the previous version, but it is safer and faster and provides a better set of functions and extensions. Before we can access data in the MySQL database, we need able to connect to the server. PHP data objects extension is a database abstractor layer. It is like an interface for the backend to interact with the MySQL database and make changes without making any change in the PHP code. For the connection, first we have to connect MySQL using localhost server connection using PDO. First, using MySQLi connection with PHP code, we have to mention the server name, username and password. We have to define a name connection or whatever we want, and we have to use the new MySQLi method. In this, we have to pass the server name, username and password, and check the condition. If the connection is not established, then we have to print we have to display to the console connection failed or else connection successful. In some of the databases or in the previous versions of the MySQLi, the above code is not worked properly, so we have to use instead this mentioned code. Accessing PHP code using MySQLi procedural way. In this, we have to mention the server name, username, password, and in the same way we have to check the condition whether it is connect to the server or not. Connection using PDO. In this is very same as server name, username, password. We have to mention all this and we have to print to the console